Hey there, green thumbs! Have you ever wondered what you can still plant in August to keep your garden thriving? Well, stick around because today we're diving into the best plants to sow right now in Zone 5. Let's make sure your garden looks fantastic and keeps producing right up to the first frost. 1. Cool season vegetables. First up, let's talk cool season veggies. As the days start to get shorter and temperatures cool down, it's the perfect time to plant spinach, kale, and lettuce. These leafy greens love the cooler weather and will be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Imagine having fresh, homegrown salads even as fall approaches. Young kale plants growing in a garden bed. Kale is especially hardy and can even withstand a light frost, making it a fantastic choice for your August planting. Root vegetables. A garden bed being prepared for root vegetables with neat rows marked out. Next, let's dig into some root vegetables. August is an excellent time to plant carrots, beets, and radishes. These veggies grow quickly and can handle the cooler nights. Plus, they store well, so you can enjoy them long after harvest. Carrot seedlings sprouting in a garden bed. Carrots might take a little longer, but if you plant them now, you'll have a delicious harvest come late fall. Just be sure to keep the soil moist to help them germinate. 3. Herbs. Fresh herb garden with labels. Don't forget about herbs. Late summer is perfect for planting parsley, cilantro, and chives. These herbs thrive in cooler temperatures and will add a burst of flavor to your fall dishes. Close-up of a person snipping fresh parsley from a garden. Parsley and cilantro can handle a light frost, and chives will come back year after year, making them a great investment for your garden. 4. Flowers for fall color. A vibrant garden with marigolds and chrysanthemums in full bloom. And for those of you who love a splash of color, let's not forget about flowers. Planting marigolds, chrysanthemums, and asters now will give your garden beautiful blooms that last well into the fall. Close-up of bright yellow marigolds. Marigolds are not only beautiful, but also great at repelling pests, making them a smart addition to any garden. 5. Garden maintenance tips. A gardener watering plants in the evening. As you plant these late-season gems, remember a few key tips. Water consistently, especially during dry spells, and mulch around your plants to help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. And don't forget to keep an eye out for pests, which can still be active even as the weather cools down. A lush, thriving, late summer garden. There you have it, folks. With these plants, your Zone 5 garden will stay vibrant and productive well into the fall. So grab your seeds, get your hands dirty, and let's keep growing together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting! See you in the next video.